let's make a quick and easy dinner. Listen, this time change. Was that brown? This time change, it's dark out right now. It feels extremely late. It's not even 6, yes, honey. She's eating her dinner right there. It's not even 6 o'clock yet. And I'm exhausted. Added some olive oil to my broccoli, keeping it real simple. Hi. Some garlic powder, and instead of salt, I'm gonna do some Romano cheese, or just a lot of Romano cheese, because it came flying out of the bag. This is mostly cheese, but honestly, I like it like that, okay? It's just been that kind of day. A little more olive oil, and into the oven she goes. I have no idea what this dinner is tonight. I'm just really craving vegetables, so we've got some broccoli in the oven, and then also Trader Joe's, for some reason, I don't know why, but they've just been sold out of like regular cabbage. So, but they have these little ones. I actually posted this recipe, I don't know, a few days ago, and the video like went crazy. Hi, did you finish? Hold on, she finished. Do you want some Cheerios? Do you want Cheerios? She wants Cheerios. I can't make this up. He's always right there when she's eating, just waiting. But anyway, I posted a video about the cabbage because like I was craving it, and it's just really good. And yeah, the video went like crazy. Anywho, I digress. This one says it's sweet. I'm hoping that it just tastes like regular cabbage. I mean, it looks and smells like a regular cabbage, so. I also don't know if Carl's gonna be into all of these veggies, so like, that's why I'm like, do I need to make a few heads of this baby cabbage, or like, are we good with one? Because like, I'll roll with just one. Also, an honorable mention, I restarted One Tree Hill. So I watched it like live on TV back in the day when it was actually on the air. Now it's just like on like all streaming services. Like I think I have it on Hulu right now. This is just in pepperoni. I'm gonna add it into my cabbage. And it's interesting because I watched it with my older sisters. There was so much that like I didn't really understand, and now like watching it back, I'm like, whoa, like, and also just things that I completely forgot. So yeah, that is the show, and it is a commitment, okay? It's not like Grey's Anatomy kind of commitment, but like it's a commitment. Like it's like more than that. I think it's like 9 seasons, 20 episodes each. So like it's pretty up there, but again, nothing really compares to Grey's Anatomy. That's a commitment. You're probably wondering, Carissa, where are you going with this meal? I think I'm just gonna fry up some of this sausage from Trader Joe's and then have my veggies on the side, okay? That's what I want. That's what we're having. Watching this kid eat Cheerios made me want Cheerios. An appetizer, okay? My broccoli finished. It is so good. I've got my sausage frying up. Everything is ready. Let's make a bowl. Starting with some cabbage, some broccoli, and then some sausage. And that is my quick and easy dinner. So now I'm just gonna eat this. It's almost 7 o'clock. I'm going to bed after this. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.